Right guys, now in trading we know 99% of traders fail in the markets. Now that 1% that are profitable have a big edge on the market. Now what I'm going to be showing you today will give you that edge that you have been searching for. It's a TradingView indicator that literally tells you everything: when to buy, when to sell, and also where to target your stop loss. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, so here we have it guys. We are on the TradingView chart. We are currently on Euro USD. So this is on forex, but it's also usable on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also Solana, and also multiple other cryptocurrencies as well. But for today we're going to be doing EU on forex. Okay, so once you get onto this, you have to change the candles. Okay, so you will be default set on candles, but we want to go down to Heikin Ashi. Okay, once you get to Heikin Ashi, it will change slightly, and then you will see the signals here. Okay, we've got a long signal at the bottom and a short signal that I'm going to be breaking them down for you. Now, for a long signal, a long is a buy. Okay, so you want to put your entry on the close of that candle, and the stop loss will go on this blue line for a buy. Now, because it's a buy, we want to target higher. So I always go for a 1 to 2. This means that you're getting 2% back from whatever you risk. So say you've risked $1,000, you will actually receive $2,000 profit. Okay, now if we move on over to this short signal, this is a sell. This one will go here on the close of that candle, and then the stop loss is on that red line. And again, if we were to target 2%, then we would have hit it nice and simple. However, obviously this one went further, and this would have given you 3% back. And also this one currently is sat at about 3.5% that would have got for you as well. So as you can see, if you were to have taken 20 trades, 18 trades of these would have been successful. If you've got good risk management like myself of 1 to 2, and you're taking 2% for every win, that's 18 times 2, 36%. With 2 losses, it means you've taken 34%. Now, if you're risking 1% on your trades, that means you would have had a nice healthy profit of $34,000. So that's what I mean. It's literally so easy and so simple to get involved into this today. What they also have to offer is the Signaler VIP group. Okay, so these are the 2 signals that they have produced, but here are some of the results. 773.52%. This was on their latest winning trade. That's 23x on long on BMT USD. Now, if we were to find out exactly when this was given, this was on the 27th of April, 11:48. It hit its profit. Okay, if we go back to the signal, we can see that this was actually done just before 8 o'clock on 27th of April. So that's within 1 day over 773%. So you can literally do the maths for that one. That's going to be a ridiculous outcome. And then we've got 32%, 176, 117. These just keep going. 91, 674. Now they're honestly ridiculous in that breath. Now, if you are interested, you can click on the link down below in the description. What that will send you to is the Signaler bot. Okay, so the Signaler bot is your trading assistant, shall we say. It gives you either the indicator system access that I just showed you, or the VIP signals group that I just showed you as well. So you get either 1 month, 3 months, or a year. But they also offer a lifetime access bundle where you get both of them for life for just a low price of $597. Okay, now that is a lifetime access for that, such a low price. Now, once you've done with that, all you want to do is click on start, and it will come up with the multiple different options. Once you've made your mind up, me personally, I'd recommend the lifetime bundle. Simply give it a click, and then click to pay by crypto. And then once you've done that, click on start, and it will give you and generate an invoice for you for the $597 and then click on whichever one you have or you want to use. For example, if you want to use USDT, click on USDT, then press pay now, and then click on the network that you are sending it. If you want to do TRC20, click on that. It will give you a contract address for you to do. Then all you have to do is send $596.98 to the address above, and then you can either generate the QR code, or you can also just copy and paste by simply clicking, and as you can see, it's text copy to clipboard. Now once you've done that, you will get access to everything for life. That's the signal group and that indicator that honestly will change your life. Now there we have it, guys. That was the Signaler indicator and the Signaler VIP group. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, Peace.